Welcome to another Day in the Library, a series where we interview some of our visitors, where they can tell us more about themselves, their research, and their experience here at the IBFD Library. We hope you enjoy. Where are you from? Can you tell us a bit about yourself?
I'm Ilya Lifshits, and I'm from Russia. I graduated from Lomonosov Moscow State University in 1994. And then I've been working as a lawyer, tax lawyer, and mergers and acquisitions, and then finance markets. And also I started my academic career. I made my PhD, but then I was lucky to find a good program, PhD program in Italy, which is Bocconi University. And I was enrolled in this program in 2024. Then I'm here.
And what's the topic of your research?
The precise title of my research is Rules of Customary International Law and the General Principles of Law in the Field of Taxation. So it's a long title, but I'm trying to identify, to determine sources of international tax law, a part of tax treatises. So I have a romantic idea to find anything that unites peoples and nations in the field of taxation, and to find some limits on the state jurisdiction. And so it's not easy, but I'm trying to do.
How did you learn about IBFD and the library?
IBFD is a very famous institution, and everybody who deals with taxation, international taxation, certainly needs information about IBFD. So it was my dream, because many books, many lectures, many researchers, an excellent library, and I was lucky to find myself here.
What has been your favorite part about studying here in the library so far?
Certainly, the favorite part is my place, my workstation. Yeah, and certainly the environment is marvelous, and it's dedicated especially for research. If you take atmosphere, the structure of library, and the warm hospitality in every element that you are doing here. And certainly you can find books on the shelves. You can find everything on the website of this library. And also very helpful is an opportunity to get in touch with research fellows. And I was lucky to do, and certainly it is something special that you cannot do once you are not here.
Do you have a must-read book recommendation based off your research topic?
The most favorite book is the last you read, the last you have read. So maybe I'm reading now a book of Celine Brauman, which is devoted to customary international law and jurisdiction to tax. And certainly books of Pasquale Pistone, always a great pleasure to read, as Julian Cocotte, certainly. And all these books you can certainly read out of this library, but you cannot meet with Pasquale Pistone elsewhere.
And do you have any tips for other researchers who might want to visit the library?
The main tip is to use this research center in a way you cannot do it from your place. So the most valuable thing is to create connections, to create ties with researchers. I was lucky to do it, to participate in some events, and also I was invited to do it, and to build your environment professional ties. And I would say that this International Bureau of Fiscal Documentation is an excellent place to do it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gary.
Thanks as always for watching another Day in the Library. To learn more about us and how to visit the library, go to library.ibfd.org. We hope to see you too at the IBFD Library in Amsterdam.